What's going on, everyone? Today we're making some beautiful beef short rib ragu. Alright, so what we're going to be making first is called the sofrito. It's celery, carrot. First of all, I hate celery. I think it's disgusting, but it works in this. A bunch of garlic, because it's delicious. And then onion. So we're going to chop these bad boys up. I'm going to chop these two up really fine. Because once again, I hate celery. But it works. But I hate it. So, let's choppy. I'm going to cut the strips first. Peel that skin off. Cut the little root piece off. Smash. Sorry if my voice is a little off today. I've been sick for the last few days. Doing this gets a lot of the oils out of the garlic. Get yourself some English cut beef short ribs. Look at the marling on these bad boys. They are going to be delicious. We're going to cook these for about 4 hours so they break down. What we're going to do now is hit them with some salt. And hit them with some black pepper. It's definitely enough residual salt. Roll these around. Make sure we get everything covered. Clean off the... Alright, I'll let these sit for a minute. Get your pan going, get some olive oil. Let's sear these bad boys in, get some good color on them. And healthy amount of olive oil in there. Tray. Our short ribs, move them off. Now we're going to add our vegetables. Also turn the heat down a little bit because our vegetables for earlier. Okay, these have been on for a few minutes. I'm gonna make a little well in the middle. Yeah, good enough. Precise measurements. That's what we do. You know what? Fuck it. Yeah, a little more. A half a cup. Once again, we do precise measurements. Maybe a cup, whatever. And cook this down. You want to make sure you get all the alcohol out of this before you add anything else to it. Okay, feel pretty good with this. I feel like the alcohol's cooked out. Let's get nice and thick. So 2 cups of beef broth. Those are the tomatoes we're going to be using today. These bad boys right here. These from out in California. Yeah, there you go. They're delicious. If you get a chance to try them. A little pricey, so once in a while you can treat yourself. Starting to bubble. Tomatoes in. What I always keep from Parmesan cheese, I always keep the rind for occasions like this. Throw these bad boys in there. It's quite nice. Almost like putting a couple bay leaves. Yes, 2's fine. 2. Let's get that bubbling. Put our meat in. We'll cover this bitch up. Now we're boiling. Put our short ribs in. Now we'll cover them up. Turn the heat down. And we'll come back and check on them in 4 hours. Alright, now it's been over 4 hours. Let's take a look. Probably about like a quarter of a cup. There's beautiful chunks of short rib in there. All that's left to do now is boil some pasta and eat to our heart's content. Now we're going to top this off with a ton of Parmesan cheese. And that's it. All done. Enjoy it. This is delicious. As always, appreciate the support. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make some good food.